everyone, and good morning. It's so good to be with you this morning. Well, I was just writing a check to pay the electric bill for the teacher's house. I need to get this in the mail and see if we got a postcard today. We got one. Let's see what it says. Miss Post, I just finished 4th grade and my teacher was the best. I think she might be Teacher of the Year for Arkansas one day. She makes me think that I might want to be a teacher one day too. I was wondering why you became a teacher. I love that you had such a great school year. I think we all have special teachers in our lives that help to make us love learning. Now, I became a teacher because I love working with kids and I wanted to make a difference. All the teachers that have won Arkansas Teacher of the Year have said the same thing. Do you know what would happen if your teacher did win Teacher of the Year? Some of the teachers here would get to come visit your school to help celebrate. Then your teacher would get to meet some very important people and get a really big check. Do you want to see the big check that they gave me when I became Teacher of the Year? Here it is. Now, have you ever watched an adult write a check? Instead of giving someone dollars and coins, you write the number for how much you want to pay, and then your bank moves that money from your account to the other person's account. Checks are usually about this size, but this was my big check. There are 2 ways that you have to write numbers on a check. One is standard form, and you can see it all the way down there at the end. The other is word form. Now, this is a great opportunity for us to review different ways to represent numbers. Let's say that you decide you want to make some money this summer. You could help out with chores, maybe do some yard work, walk dogs, or even wash cars. And let's say that after 1 week of work, you made $136. Well, there are 4 different ways I want us to think about that number. The first way is standard form, 136. The second way is what we call expanded form. The 1 in the hundreds place becomes 100. The 3 in the tens place becomes 30. And the 6 in the ones place becomes the 6. Another way that we can think about it is model form. Have you ever gotten to play with base 10 blocks? They're so much fun, and they really help you visualize how big or small numbers are. Well, here you can see that 100 is made up of a lot of blocks. The 30 you can see here in the orange, and then the 6 ones are over here in the green. Now, the last way is word form. Word form is pretty easy when you understand expanded form, because that 100 just comes down here and gets spelled out. The 30 is right here as 30. And then something that you need to understand, because I hear people say this incorrectly from time to time. You don't say 136, you just say 136. So remember, writing the number in expanded form first will always help you more easily write it in word form. So if you receive a check for the work that you've done, then you will see 2 of these number forms on your check, standard form and word form. Okay, let's try one more number. How would you write the number 2,578? Okay, let's expand it. The 2 in the thousands place becomes 2,000. The 5 in the hundreds place is 500. The 7 in the tens place is 70. And the 8 in the ones place is 8. And when we put them all together, we have 2,578. Okay, great job reviewing today. Maybe you'll be a future Arkansas Teacher of the Year and we can all come visit you and bring you a big check. And thank you for the postcard. I hope today's lesson helped you think about numbers and all the different ways that we can write them. Have a great rest of the day. Remember, keep a positive mindset, grow every day by reading and asking questions, and there's nothing you can't do if you put your mind to it. I'll see you soon.
It's time to rise and shine.